Good morning and hello from Disney's Yacht Club. Welcome to Disney's Yacht Club. This is a deluxe Disney resort. You can delight in the formal grace of Grand New England style yacht club at this lakeside hotel. Sharing many amenities with its pastel toned sister, the Disney Beach Club Resort, Disney's Yacht Club Resort is a walking distance to Epcot and a convenient boat ride to Disney's Hollywood Studios. So since I parked myself over at the boardwalk and I walked myself over here, this is the last resort tour for this area. So we have done the boardwalk, we've done the beach club, and we are now finishing it out with the yacht club. And as you can see behind me is this beautiful wedding gazebo. This is one of the many locations throughout Walt Disney World that you can actually get married, and in this particular resort this is the wedding gazebo. It's very small, quaint. I think it's perfect and magical, and it's literally facing the water. Beautiful. As I just showed off the beautiful little quiet, quaint wedding gazebo, there's actually a couple in front of me that is getting portraits done, and it looks magical. I'm not going to showcase it, but y'all, what better way than to get married here at Disney? She looks so beautiful. Tears. As I walk my way up towards the front, I'm realizing that it's only a few minutes before 10 a.m., so the pool has not opened. Now, this is the shared pool between the yacht and the beach club. It is the biggest pool in all of Walt Disney World, and I'm going to showcase it just a little bit before it fully opens because nobody's in it, so yay! This is the Storm Along Bay pool. It is the biggest pool in Walt Disney World, and it is the shared pool between the yacht and the beach club. It's beautiful. There's sandy beaches. There's lots and lots of chairs, lots of fun activities. There's a really, really cool slide right over there. There's lots of activities that you can see on your Walt Disney World app that the cast members will do with you. Lots of pool activities and things like that. And there's also a bar as well. Now that we got the pool out of the way, let's head on inside and check out everything that this resort has to offer. We have made it inside. It is definitely yacht-esque. Lots of ship decor and anchors and I don't know, more ship decor and things, and it's really spectacular. I love how it feels like a whole oasis. It doesn't feel overwhelmingly Disney. That's what I like about all three of these resorts, the beach, the yacht, and the boardwalk. I love it in here. It's gorgeous. One of my favorite things is this old styled globe that actually turns, and it is, it's just so cool. I love it. So as you walk in, you will be entering in the doors that we are looking at right now. And then over on your right or left, depending on the day, you will find cast members to greet you as you check in. Right now, they're on your right. And as you can see over there, there's a few cast members checking in guests, as where you'll be able to check in to your resort. Over here, we do have the check-in, which is on the right side of the lobby, but you also have this little kids area over here with a TV that the kids can chill at and watch classic Disney cartoons as you check in. Over on the left side of the main lobby, as you walk in, you will find Ale and Compass restaurant. The Ale and Compass is a New England comfort food and classic seafood dish coastal inspired restaurant. It is available for both breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can grab a reservation before you get here at your resort through the My Disney Experience app, or on the My Disney Experience app, you can join that walk-up wait list in your room and be able to come dine in, 15, 30 minutes later, however long that wait list will take you. But that is an option for you in terms of dining. It is a great space to dine for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It is fabulous. And there's also a Ale and Compass restaurant to go area. So if you do not want to sit down and dine, you can grab the Ale and Compass to go from the My Disney Experience app as well for either breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And they have a lot of options. They got shrimp and grits, country ham and cheddar omelet, smoked salmon sandwich, that's for breakfast, just a few items. For lunch, we have a chicken flatbread, a vegetable flatbread, a jumbo lump crab cake, a blue crab bisque. There's some rolls, salad, entrees like a cheddar burger, a protein bowl, and fish tacos. And for dinner, kind of the same thing, just on a larger scale, but they do have things like halibut, mahi-mahi, red snapper, sea bass, swordfish. And they also have Angus strip, New England seafood pot pie, short ribs, half chicken, pasta, burger, protein bowl, and so much more. Definitely a great option if you need a bite to eat on the go, but it is a little bit more heavy, so not something that you maybe want to pick up and like head on out for the day, but a good option if you want to pick it up and head on upstairs back to your resort and continue getting ready, or doing whatever you might need to be doing. Just over to the left side of the Ale and Compass restaurant and to-go area, there is the Ale and Compass Lounge. This lounge does open at 12 p.m. and goes until 11 p.m. It has a bunch of items in terms of appetizers that are available from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. and then it has a full list of cocktails like a Royal Manhattan, a Hudson Mule, Captain's Mai Tai, and some non-alcoholic options as well. And if you don't want to come here for drinks in the evening, and if you maybe brought your computer or your laptop to get some work done throughout the day, this is a great space to do it because nobody is here in the mornings. There's both this side and the other side, which is through this area, and as you can see in the distance is the lobby. So there are some people actually in this first section doing some work, but a great quiet spot to get some work done for sure. What I love about these resorts that are not 100% Disney-esque is that they have a lot of different notes of decor. And so, for example, here is these different types of knots, which I think is super fun. I could never recreate that. Maybe I could. No, probably not. So over on the right side of the main lobby as you walk in from parking, there is a set of stairs up here that I just walked up, which I think is super fun. I think this is super cute, especially for littles to get a picture. Makes them feel like they're like driving the ship. Is it driving the ship? Conducting the ship? I need to get better at my ship terms apparently. Continuing on from those stairs right over there, you can walk this entire overlook area over the main lobby, which I think is super cute. I just love this decor. Looking at the different old ships, how they were built, a little bit of a like blueprint almost. Made it over here to the market at the Ale and Compass. This is where you will find your merchandise that you will also find in the rest of the Disney gift shops, but you will also find quick grab and go sweet and savory bites to eat. Quick bites to eat are things like a large selection of drinks, pastries, alcohol, salads, sandwiches, bottles of wine, that's fun. The essentials like coffee and tea. A large selection of snacks. Now this is where you can also go on your My Disney Experience app and order food. This is going to be your quick bites to eat, kind of out the door or late bite snacks. For breakfast, they have things like breakfast bowls, Mickey waffles, breakfast sandwiches, oatmeal, and those types of things. Lunch and dinner, you'll have chili hot dog, Cuban sandwich, grilled chicken panini, ham and cheese sandwich, roast beef sandwich, salads, and other snacky items as well, and a large selection of bakery items. The hours of this space is from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. for breakfast, and then 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. for lunch and dinner. On the other half of the store is where you will find merchandise. Now this is merchandise you will find in every Disney gift shop, just on a smaller scale, but they do have resort specific merch, like this Yacht Club robe, this Yacht Club resort towel. Ooh, that's a super cute linen shirt with Mickey on it. Very fun. This Yacht Club tote, Yacht Club shirts, jackets, mugs, little trinket trays, and hats, sunglasses, sunscreen, swimsuits in case you forgot anything, and even flip-flops over there. Halloween merch has been popping up in the parks the past couple days, and this tote is so stinking cute. Actually, today is the first day that we saw Mickey pumpkins in Magic Kingdom. If you want to check those out, and if you haven't seen it already, definitely check out Mickey Blog on our Instagram page and MickeyBlog.com. We have a whole list of everything, and we will be keeping you up to date on all things Halloween, spooky season. Mickey's Not So Scary video will be coming out shortly as well, which will be August 11th is when we will be there for the opening day of Mickey's Not So Scary. I'm so excited. Can you guys guess my outfit? Let me know. Put it in the comments. Guess. Ooh, it's bright. So as I mentioned earlier is the big Stormalong Bay pool, but there is actually a quiet pool over here, and it's called the Admiral Pool, and there's also a tennis court area over here. There are a few people over in the pool, so I'm not going to get super close, but it's just that. It's a quiet pool. It's called the Admiral Pool, and then over here you have the tennis courts. as well. Super fun activities. Maybe if you don't want to go to the big giant Stormalong Bay with everybody else, you can head on over here to find these locations. Very quiet over here, very kind of intimate almost, which, you know, that's not always a bad thing. So if you maybe don't want to go on over to the Stormalong Bay pool, which will have a bunch of people in it, you can head on over to this area to have a little bit of peace and quiet. It is very quiet over here. It's actually like so peaceful over here. I'm very obsessed with it. Before I go back inside, I do want to mention that this is a dog-friendly resort. If you want to know more about it, definitely check out the Walt Disney World requirements and things like that. But this is a dog-friendly resort, which we love. You can only have 2 dogs per room, and then there's restrictions and fees apply, of course. But if you want to bring a little puppy along with you, definitely check it out. Another thing I want to mention in the terms of dogs, I do want to mention that there is a best friends pet hotel here. So if you're in the parks all day, because there is a certain requirement in the terms of how many hours your dogs are allowed to be in the rooms alone by themselves. So there is a best friends pet hotel if you do end up bringing your little pooches. I love my dogs. Our friend and reporter on the team, she brings her dog to best friends just cuz, and he loves it. It is so much fun. Highly recommend if you want to bring your dogs on vacation so you don't have to find someone to watch them, etc. I love my dogs, and I think they deserve to have a magical vacation at Disney as well. So the more you know, check out Best Friends Pet Hotel here on Disney property. And this is a pet-friendly hotel, which I think is just so magical. Like, bringing your dogs to Disney, amazing. 10 out of 10 experience in my opinion. So right on over here is the bus stop. This is where it will take you to both Magic Kingdom and Animal Kingdom, Disney Springs, and the water parks. To get to the water parks, you will have to go to Disney Springs and then transport yourself from there. You cannot get a direct line from this location. You will have to go to Disney Springs first. There are no transportations on the buses to either Epcot or Hollywood Studios. You will either have to take the boats or the Disney Skyliner, or walk over to Epcot from this location. I've been out here for all of maybe 3 minutes and I'm sweating. It is so hot. Anyways, I am now heading back inside to get you a room tour. So without further ado, here's the room tour. Making my way back outside to showcase y'all the boat location and how to get to Epcot from here. To find this exit, there's lots of doors, but mainly it is the main door on the opposite side of the entrance of the lobby. And if you head straight down this path, you will find the location that will take you to the boats. And these boats can take you across the water over there to the boardwalk. They can also take you over to Epcot, and they can also take you to Hollywood Studios, as well as the Swan and Dolphin resorts, because you can hop on over to other resorts to either dine, check it out, grab a drink, whatever it might be. So on the other side of this water right here, as you can see in the distance, there is a boat coming this way. Now, right on over there up that walkway past the beach club, you will find the walkway that will get you to the International Gateway, which will grant you access into Epcot, as well as the Disney Skyliner. Now, you can take that Disney Skyliner to get you to Hollywood Studios, or you can take these boats like I was talking about to get you to Hollywood Studios as well. Do not knock the boats. The boats you might think that they take a little bit longer, but in reality, I've timed it and they're roughly about the same in terms of especially walking all the way over there to the Disney Skyliner and then hopping on the boat. Now, I did note this in the beach club tour as well, but right across the way is the boardwalk. You have things like Jelly Rolls, Dance Hall. You have a brewery over there. My favorite bar is over there. It's called It's called the Abracadabra Bar. There's the Boardwalk Deli, you got ice cream. You can check out all of those areas as well by either walking there or taking the boats, which I highly recommend doing so. We did a full tour of the boardwalk alone, so definitely check out that video and also check out our beach club tour as well. Before I continue on, I do want to pay note to this Sandy Beach area in particular, because if you are over here before fireworks around the 9 o'clock hour, you will be able to look across the water and see the fireworks from Epcot from this location. So that's perfect if you do not have a park reservation for that day, you need something to do in the evening, you came back early, etc. It is a perfect location, or anywhere throughout this area, truly. But I think it's just magical when you're sitting on a white sandy beach looking across the water, in my personal opinion. But that's just me. Now that is pretty much everything in terms of this resort. I love this resort, the beach club, and the boardwalk, all because of the location. You get really quick access between Epcot and also Hollywood Studios, which I think is a huge bonus if you can knock out 2 out of the 4 resorts. Something I also wanted to mention is the amazing, this is my favorite part, y'all can have dogs here at the yacht club. This is a dog-friendly resort. It is a limit of 2 per room. There are restrictions and fees that apply. If you have any questions, please check out our friends at Mickey Travels. They will be able to answer all of those questions for you and help you in that booking process when it comes time for your dogs. Another thing I want to mention about the dogs is that you can only have them in your room alone for X amount of time while you are hanging out in the parks or doing whatever. So there is a best friends pet hotel. If you are a dog mom, dog dad, dog sister, whatever it might be, I'm a dog mom, and I think it's just so fun having that magical experience with not only you, but you and your dogs as well, because the dogs deserve a magical experience as well. But definitely check out our friends at Mickey Travels. They will be able to answer all of the dog-friendly questions for you, and I love that the Yacht Club is a dog-friendly resort. With all of that said, I hope you all enjoy this video. I love this resort so much. The location is perfect. There's so many things to do. You can go to the beach club and check out those check out that video as well. I highlight all of the dining and shopping locations over there as well as the boardwalk. There's so much to do here. You'll never get bored if you're hanging out here and not in the parks. There's so much to do, see, drink, eat, all of the above. Ice cream at the beach club, highly recommend. Please give us a like and subscribe so we can push our content out to more Disney fans like you, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know what you want to see next. And with that, my name is Miranda, and I hope you all have had a fantastic day.